What a location this is. Well, hello, thanks for joining me for another video on my YouTube channel. And it's Friday night, just set up camp. People are still setting up their tents this evening. Tomorrow is going to be a 300-kilometre bike ride through the Yorkshire Dales. And the weather, we're expecting gale force winds, flash floods, absolutely everything. Yeah, the next thing you see is the control in the morning, waking up, having plenty of sleep. So yeah, I'll see you in the morning. Well, hello, good morning here at Willigarth Farm, ready for a 300-kilometre audax. You can see there's a few people have yet to collect their cards. There's probably about 10 or 12 on there, so 10 or 12 people who decided the weather's got the better of them, or for many other reasons. So yeah, just about to leave Newby Whisk, which is near Thirsk, in the next few minutes or so. Might not see much footage today because the weather looks terrible, but let's see how it happens. Well, hello, yeah, I'm still on the ride, doing very well. Coming up to about 70k. I've just come through, just coming up to Ilkley, on top of the moors, and pretty big climb, 12%er. I just climbed up, and it's going to be featuring next week's Tour de Yorkshire, which starts in Bedale. So yeah, it's one of the featured climbs in the race. So it wasn't too bad actually. I had a bit of a backwind as well, just pushing me along, just gently pushing me along. Well, I am down at Ilkley, the local Tesco's petrol station. Dead scenic, chipping down with rain. I got here with about 40 minutes to spare. Loads of time to get to the next place, which is Holton Gill. It's a checkpoint, about 30k from here. About 3.5 hours to get there. So yeah. That's a big time space to get there. I wonder if it's going to be mega hilly. We're going to find out. And the weather, as you can see, is absolutely deteriorated again. It started chucking down in the rain, the wind's got up. So yeah, it's going to be cold getting off again. So here we go. Let's see what's up there. See if we can get some photos. See if it'll clear up a little bit. Just stopped at this footbridge in Ilkley. Caught my eye. You can see all the way down the I don't know, what is it? The River Elk. I don't know, but the River Froome comes around here somewhere, doesn't it not? Don't know, might be wrong, might be talking out my ass. But yeah, I thought I'd just stop here for a moment. So if you worked out where I am yet, got about 5 seconds before it pops up on the screen. It's a beautiful place, some great places along this route. Look at that view over there. It's gorgeous, that. Some stunning scenery around here. It's beautiful. As you can see, the Tour de Yorkshire's coming through here next Sunday. I know concerned is a bit of a hyperbole, but I was a little concerned that it might be a bit misty and foggy and not see anything. But as you can clearly see, clear skies. Well, you know what I mean. I also plan to stay over again, camp over this evening. Could be a late finish, so that's going to be a welcome camping. Tomorrow have a nice lie-in, and probably go on the bike again. Don't know where. Just have a bit of a meander around this area. Well, around Newby Whisk, where I'm camping for the night. Just do a 50k or something like that. Because I haven't talked about my 2000k challenge, have I? Since it set it, and looks like I'm going to be fall short actually. Going to fall short by about 100k. So I've just been just checked my Wahoo. The next control point is 25k away. And we got about 2 and a bit hours to do it. Usually I would say that's plenty of time, but I haven't looked at the elevation profile. There's a big hill coming up soon. It's one of the biggest, elevation gains of the ride really. So experience of audax tells me that will be before I get to Halton Gill. So it's upwards until that point as well. So let's see how long that 26k, 25k actually does take me. Check out that view down there. That's wonderful, that. Some beautiful routes. Beautiful routes we've taken today. And because I've done my 300 last week, I'm sort of laid back on this one, just taking my time. It's beautiful now, and the sun's coming out as well. You can probably see over my left shoulder. Right, time for pints, is it? I've not hit that one before. Pretty potty, pretty potty. That's blue sky, sun's coming out. Long may that remain the case. Fingers crossed, it's all past. Looks like it's snowing, but just all the blossom blowing around off the trees, thankfully. This looks like a great hillside coming up. Going right past it as well. Looks an amazing view coming up. Another gear. There we go. Right. It's always quite difficult going uphill and filming at the same time. Something I don't do very often. And if it's like small little bursts like this, but there's a good view coming up, so can't miss the views. Let's put these on camera. So look at this. Check this out. That is wonderful. It would be so much faster if it wasn't for headwind. Look at that sky. Hatton Gill, it's 3 miles away, and just like the previous stop point, I'm going to get there and it's going to be raining. Let's keep our head down. Turn into hail. So I've just arrived at the Hatton Gill control and the rain's finally stopping. What was your name, sorry?
Chris.
Chris.
Yes, we're all very wet.
Yeah, very wet and probably cold actually because you're just sort of standing here.
Yeah, a little bit. I've got the stove on.
Got to the top of Halton Hill bank. Hands are freezing cold. I was coming over the cattle grid and I didn't have enough momentum. I just fell off, which hurt. But I don't know if you can appreciate the view as much as I can right here, right now. It's quite some view. Quite some view. So practically at the top now, just a grid to go over. It's downhill for a while, so I think it is anyway. So remote. So So it's, the spirit is continuing to impress. I don't know which viaduct that is, but with the human eye it looks amazing. Wow. Just behind me, a tea and coffee burger van. I'm just going to have a cup of coffee or tea or something, warm me up a little bit. Just on my way down to Sedbergh, not far from here. Just gone through Dent, past loads of runners that are taking part in, I'm not sure which one it is. There's a couple of races out here at the minute. There's the Three Peaks and there's another one as well. So I bet there's some local riders from Grimsby Tri Club here today taking part in one of these races. Well, I hope you're enjoying it as much as I am. The weather is absolutely well, very testing, to put it politely. Very, very testing. Look at that. And I've probably got about a 20-minute buffer for getting to the next control. So I'm having to be quite efficient on this one, so I don't drop behind. I'm about fourth back from, well, the third back from the Lantern Rouge. There's a couple riders earlier who decided to go to the pub, and there's another guy as well who's on his 70s bike who's trundling along. Left him back at the burger van earlier on near the viaduct. There's an interesting hill coming up right in front of me. It looks like a pair of, yes, it does. Well, that's it. I've come to the end of my ride, packing up to go home. And yeah, sorry there wasn't much footage, but it was chucking down in rain most of the time. Really fiddly to take your gloves off, film stuff, so didn't really show you the second half of the journey, did I? Yeah, it was just a fantastic day, very tiring, very wet. Not so much windy, didn't really feel the wind to be fair. But yeah, probably my hardest audax to date. And all due to the weather being as bad as it was. And I'd love to have stopped and taken more photos and a bit more video, but it was what it was really. So do hope you've enjoyed watching this video. I'll catch you in the next one, whatever it might be. Wales next weekend. So hope you have a good week. Keep on cycling, yeah. And if you've got any comments or any questions, pop them in the video area below the video, and I'll have a go at answering those. And if you can, if you enjoy this content, don't forget you can subscribe to my channel as well. So I'll see you later. Ciao.